you're starting to see the sign of aging and you're looking around for beauty products to use, you're going to notice this word retinol. Now, if you're not sure what this retinol is all about, it is simply vitamin A. And vitamin A is the best vitamin for anti-aging purposes. You can use vitamin A on the skin. It will help to clear hyperpigmentation, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, lift, tighten, and firm the skin, and give you a more youthful glow. Now, you can choose to go buy a retinol cream or a retinol oil, or you can try a DIY. I'm going to show you how I make my own personal retinol overnight facial oil. So what are you waiting for? Let's run in the kitchen really fast, especially if you're having those wrinkles, fine lines, and you want to get rid of it. Now let's go do this really quick. I'm going to share a quick recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to use this on your skin for amazing youthful looking glow. Now, to make our retinol facial oil, the first oil that you're going to need is a base oil. Now, a base oil is an oil that you use to dilute other oils that tend to be very strong. Now, here are some examples. We have avocado oil, we have grapeseed oil, we have coconut oil, and we also have sweet almond oil, and you can also use olive oil. You're going to choose one base oil of choice. Now today I am going to choose avocado oil as my base oil. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the avocado oil. Now avocado oil also contains a vitamin E. Whatever oil you choose as your base oil, use 1 tablespoon. So here I have it, 1 tablespoon of the avocado oil. Now avocado oil contains vitamin A, which is basically retinol. It contains vitamin C, which can help to lighten and brighten the skin, and it contains vitamin E, which will help to hydrate the skin. It also contains omega-3 fatty acid, and it also contains the electrolytes. So very good base oil. Now let's reach for 2 special oils. Now take a look at my next oil. Here I have some jojoba oil, and jojoba oil is good for the skin also. It's a perfect oil for face, neck, and the rest of the body. I am going to be using a teaspoon of the jojoba oil. Now let's pour a teaspoon in. For this jojoba oil, there are also other oils that you can use instead of the jojoba oil. Here are a few. You can use some cucumber seed oil. You can use some sesame seed oil. You can also choose to use some rosehip oil instead of the jojoba oil. Now take a look at the main ingredient, which is vitamin A. And vitamin A is retinoid. And retinoid is divided into 2 groups, retina A and retinol. Retinol is what you can get to buy over the counter, basically like this vitamin A that I'm using. Retina A is the strongest form of a vitamin A. Now the retina A, you need a prescription, but the retinol, no prescription. So here we have this vitamin A tablets. Now my vitamin A is 8,000 IU, and that makes this vitamin A fall in the retinol group. Okay, so it's a very milder form of a vitamin A. So what we're going to do, we're going to use about 4 of these, and we're going to place them in here. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a 4 vitamin A. Now vitamin A, you do not want to use it directly on the skin, and that is why you're mixing it with your carrier oils. So let's squeeze this vitamin A. So let's go ahead and squeeze. And you're going to get about 3 drops out of each of these vitamin A. That's 3 drops out of each capsule. So that's 6 drops. Now here are the empty shells, and just toss these. These are basically just gelatin. So here in our bowl, we have our avocado oil, we have our jojoba oil, and we also have our vitamin A. This is our anti-aging facial oil, retinoid facial oil, using only just 3 oils. Blend 3 oils to create an anti-aging facial oil. Now, if you're making this at home and you want to kick this up a notch, you can go ahead and add other oils. Just make sure to add no more than a half a teaspoon of your special oil. So now we're going to blend, and we're going to blend well. We are mixing avocado oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin A. Now there's one other oil that you can add to this, which is optional, and that is a vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will also help to keep this and preserve it much longer. As a matter of fact, let me use a little vitamin E oil in this. So let's reach for my vitamin E oil. You don't need a lot, about 5 to 6 drops of the vitamin E oil. If you do not have it, you can leave it out because the avocado oil also contains vitamin E oil. And once you blend this together, you have your anti-aging overnight facial oil. And let's reach for a container to pour this in. Now to store the oil, just store it in any small bottle that you have or any container that you can pour it out easily. I like to store mine in these small glass bottles. And if you have a dark bottle, that is even better. And this is it, your homemade retinol facial oil. Now to use this facial oil, all you need on your skin is 2 to 3 drops. And this is good for the face, the neck, and décolleté. This is good for wrinkles and fine lines, and also to smooth the skin, taking your skin from age-looking skin to a more youthful-looking skin. Massage it in the skin and do the neck also, décolleté. And you're applying this oil on top of your moisturizer, or you can choose to mix this oil in your moisturizer. Now you can choose to use this retinol oil in your moisturizer, and I suggest you use it at night. Apply the 2 to 3 drops on top of your moisturizer or in your moisturizer, and you are good to go. Store this in a dark area, no need to refrigerate. Use it as often as you wish, every night if you so choose. When it is done, make a new So there you have it. What can I say? Just 3 ingredients with a little bit of a vitamin E oil. Now if you do not have vitamin E oil and you have vegetable glycerin, you can use it instead of the vitamin E oil. Great. Now this facial oil blend is amazing, and the beauty about this oil blend is that you can have several different kinds. You can choose to use one with avocado oil like we did today. You can choose to use one with sweet almond oil. You can make an olive oil blend. You can make a coconut oil blend. You can also substitute the jojoba oil for some cacao oil, or even some rosehip oil, or even some papaya seed oil. So take it to the next level and just make sure you use the main ingredient, which is vitamin E. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.